Okay, here. Okay, here we are at Ivy League Montessori School for Miles' play. This is his school. Right here. We'll go in the back and see if they're playing. There he is. There's his teacher in his class. Okay.
Alexis, we need you inside, sweetie. Eric? No, our class stay out. We're just getting ready. James, go back down. Go back down. The steps. It's not, it's...
Okay.
They really did. We saw it with all the children.
That's his teacher. One of his teachers.
Are you ready? Okay.
There you go. Get ready for the program. Show a big smile. Well, Jen, you can get in it. All right. Good luck to it. Break a leg. Break a leg. You ready for it? All right. He's chasing a dragonfly. Does he have to go inside? Oh, I thought they had.
Rumpus in the Rainforest, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about all the hard work that these children have done. Kind of put in perspective what they're doing here. These plays were written for 2nd through 6th graders, and they were written for a classroom of 20 to 30 children. So we have to have multiple characters. They will have to learn multiple songs. So they've just done a tremendous job. They did all the backdrops. They researched their characters. They have a research paper here that they did. Then they drew their characters as their backdrops. We've learned a lot about the rainforest. They've learned a lot about community and working together and teamwork, and they've learned a lot about themselves too. I mean, it's been amazing to me how self-confident they are. And so, as you know, you've got wonderful children, but they're also very brave children too, to be able to stand up here and sing these songs like they're going to do for you today. So we hope you enjoy it as much as we've enjoyed putting it together for you. very long ago, in the Amazon rainforest, there lived a frog. This is her story, the story of a frog with an impossible dream that came true. The leaves are so thick in parts of the forest that less than 10% of the sunlight reaches the jungle floor. Creatures may spend their whole lives without ever seeing the sun. There on a log lives the frog with her dream.
Just once I gotta see the sky, once beyond the trees. Once I gotta get up high, just once beyond the leaves. Just once I wanna have some fun, gotta get a plan. Just once I wanna feel the sun, just once I wanna tan. I tried leaping like a lizard, dancing with sword, stopping all hopping, I'm 100 feet too short. I tried leaping like a lizard, dancing with sword, stopping all hopping, I'm 100 feet too short. Just once I wanna leave my love to see if skies are blue. Once I wanna be a one who casts a shadow too. Just once I gotta see the sky, once above the trees. Once I gotta get up high, just once beyond the leaves. I tried leaping like a lizard, dancing with sword, stopping all hopping, I'm 100 feet too short. I tried leaping like a lizard, dancing with sword, stopping all hopping, I'm 100 feet too short. Just once I wanna see the sky.
The frog's friend, the toucan, has stopped by to see what Frog is singing about. Toucan hurt her wing the other day, and it still hurts.
Hello, Toucan. Can you fly me up into the sky above the trees? I'm sorry, I can't. My wing doesn't work. Every time I try to fly, I just buzz around in a circle until I get dizzy. Then how would I ever see the sky above the trees? I don't know. Here comes the jaguar. Maybe she will give you a lift up the tree. Hello, jaguar. Can you take me up to see the sky above the trees? Don't be silly. What do everyone to go up there? I'm Cuckoo Cat. This is where it is at. Here on the jungle floor, where the plants smell sweet and the critters do eat. Here on the jungle floor. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than jungle floor? Tell me, ma'am, what are you looking for? Who needs more than jungle floor? There are bugs to trounce, oh it's so fun to pounce. Here on the jungle floor. It's so dark and damp, what a great place to camp. Here on the jungle floor. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than jungle floor? She's a cool, cool cat. This is where it is at. Here on the jungle floor.
very determined. She spots a family of sloths up in the branches of the tree.
Hello, sloths. Can you take me up to see these guys by the trees? I'm a sloth. I will help you up this tree. I'm a sloth. But I'm lazy as can be. I'm a sloth. So before I can agree to your request, I need a rest. I'm a sloth. I'll come down there in a blink. I'm a sloth. But I'm just too tight to think. I'm a sloth. Today I blinked and ate some sap. I need a nap. 1, 2, 3. I'm getting set to go. Can you see? I just moved a toe. I'm a sloth. I'm there in a blur. I'm a sloth. But I'm just more disturbed. I'm a sloth. I got Ellie in my first winches deep. I need some sleep. I need some sleep. Hey, did you hear that? What? Listen. Look out, Mr. Bull! Fly away! I can't, my wings still won't work. Please don't run away. You think I want to eat you, do you? Oh no, I'm here looking for a way to see the sky. Won't you hop on my back? I'll give you a lift up the tree. Don't trust her. Come along, I'm your friend. Don't dither. Let's slither up a tree. Don't hide now. Let's slide now, you and me. I do it from French. I just like to please. I ask one small favor. Let me give you a squeeze. Don't dither. Let's slither up to the light. No slipping. I'm gripping nice and tight. I do it from friendship. I love every bug. I ask one small favor. Let me give you a hug. You know what you're thinking. You're thinking we're slinking and slide. But you know a boa or two you can trust. And it's I. Don't dither. Let's slither up a tree. Don't hide now. Let's slide now, you and me. I do it from kindness. I just like to please. I ask one small favor. Let me give you a There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the rainforest today. And there's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the rainforest today. The monkeys are howling, jaguars growling, weasels are wailing away. The wild pigs are snorting, hawks are cavorting. We all have a whole bunch to say. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the rainforest today. Reel, 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 with it, reel, reel, with it, with it, with it, reel, reel, with it, reel, with it, reel, with it, with it. The monkeys are howling, jaguars growling, weasels are wailing away. The wild pigs are snorting, hawks are cavorting. We all have a whole bunch to say. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the rainforest today. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the rainforest today. Rumpus in the rainforest today.
Look, here come 3 explorers. They're hunting for the lost ancient city of chocolate. The Amazon is the home of the cacao bean, the source of all things chocolate.
According to the map, the lost ancient city of chocolate should be right here. Oh, I can't wait to find it. We've been looking for months and I can believe it again. There are rivers of syrup, dark chocolate and light, and springs of hot cocoa to bathe in at night. There at the end of a rich rocky road, 10 little brownies along mother road. Cacao bean, cacao bean, most beautiful flora I've ever seen. Your life has been wasted until you have tasted the juice that made from the cacao bean. This X marks the spot of a chocolate boat, where they get the marshmallows, the nuts, and the malt. Live in the tall house, rich and large, the supply of the things of the cacao bean, most beautiful flora that I've ever seen. Your life has been wasted until you have tasted the treats that make like a cacao bean. Was it wasted until you have tasted the treats that make like a cacao bean? Hi guys, the city of chocolate that you're looking for is way down there. If you keep on that direction, you won't miss it. Gee, thanks. Come on guys, that's when the hot fudge is a maraschino cherry. I didn't know there was a city of chocolate in the jungle. There isn't. They're just giving off the helmets and they're my last chance. Hello, monkeys. Can you take me up to the sky by the trees? What? I'll take you up to the canopy. Are you nuts? I don't think so. Well, if you're not nuts, don't hang around with us. Sticker on the ground and a monkey around up in the canopy. 'Cause the air's so thin and we howl and we grin up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? We just swing and play, go bananas all day, up in the canopy. 'Cause it's hard to escape, we just hold on day, up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? This is just for chumps with a pole full of thumps up in the canopy. Stickers on the ground and we hung in a room up in the canopy. Who needs more? Who needs more? Who needs more than the jungle floor? Tell me, man, what are you looking for? Who needs more than the jungle floor? This is so discouraging. No one will help me. All you want is to see the sky. I don't feel good.
Just then the army ants march by. The frog and the toucan jump out of the way. Nothing can stop a column of army ants.
Oh, that's
Here come the ants. Help me up on your log. I don't want to be nibbled to death. Marching by the millions, marching all day long. One it may be crazy, but millions can't be wrong. One is so tiny, two is still are small. Multiply by millions, and we can do it all. Teamwork, that is how we do it. Help each other out, caring and sharing, and we got a lot of clouds. Teamwork, that's how we do it. Help each other out, caring and sharing, 'cause we got a lot of clouds. Marching by the millions, marching all day long. One it may be crazy, but millions can't be wrong. One it is so tiny, two and still are small. Multiply by millions, and we can do it all. Teamwork, that's how you do it. Help each other out, we're caring and sharing, and we got a lot of clouds. Teamwork, that's how you do it. Help each other out, we're caring and sharing, and we got a lot of clouds.
The ant's song about teamwork reminds the frog of something very important. Her friend the toucan is still hurt. In her eagerness to get to the sky, Frog had not stopped to help her injured friend. So she goes to summon the shaman, who says she can fix Toucan's wing with stuff that grows right here in the rainforest.
I can fix this with the melon from the jungle. Here, try some of this. To this fork, lick this leaf. If you ache, here's a leaf. Watch this moss, you'll agree. The forest is a pharmacy. The forest is a pharmacy. Bite this bulb, suck this vine. In a flash, you'll be blind. Put this root in your teeth. The forest is a pharmacy. The forest is a pharmacy. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you're drinking some dirt. Then fluff that signal and try out your wing. It won't hurt. Spark, lick this leaf. If you ache, here's a leaf. Munch this moss, you'll agree. The forest is a pharmacy. The forest is a pharmacy. The forest is a pharmacy. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you're drinking some dirt. Then fluff that signal and try out your wing. It won't hurt. Bite this bulb, suck this vine. In a flash, you'll be fine. Put this fruit in your teeth. The forest is a pharmacy. 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 I can fly, I can fly. Here, frog, get on my back. I'll take you up to see the sky beyond the trees. Can he really do that? Can he take me up to see the sky above the trees? If a toucan says that a toucan can, then we too can see the sky. If a toucan can, then we too can fly. Me and you can start to fly. Well, a toucan flew like a toucan do, and those two flew off the ground. And the frog could see far beyond the trees, and he never came back down. There's a rumpus in the rainforest today. A rumpus in the
and the boa. Jennifer Vasco played the army ant and the explorer. Sarah Vasco played the sloth and the howler monkey. Miles Bonneker played the sloth, explorer, and the howler monkey. Anna Claire Coley played the rainforest frog. Marie Christina Romagna played the toucan. Drew Nix played the boa and the army ant. Siobhan Mulligan played the explorer and the shaman. Caleb Blackwell played the sloth and the army ant. The play was directed by Becky Hardy and B. Tufts. Our backstage manager was Cindy Carroll. And our music coordinator was Ann Goodrow. Back in the Hold down, guys. Hold hands. Let's take a bow. Everybody together. Here we go.